The leg extension is a beginner leg exercises that works your quadriceps or your thigh muscles. For this, make sure you use a light enough weight where you're able to straighten your legs all the way at the top. To make it harder, try adding more weight or going slower. The seated dumbbell shoulder press is a beginner exercises that targets your triceps, your medial, and your anterior deltoids. When doing this, pick a weight that's light enough so you can bring it all the way down to tap your shoulder before coming all the way up to the top. To make it more challenging, add more weight, do slower reps, or even really fast reps. The dead bug is a beginner core exercise that will have you on your back. When doing this exercise, make sure to try to bring your belly button in towards your spine or try to flatten your back against the ground when you extend your leg and extend your arm. Make this more challenging by pausing for a second with your arm and leg out. Ball slams are a beginner power exercise that has you grabbing a ball and slamming it to the ground as hard as you can. When doing this, remember to come up on your tippy toes and snap your body down as fast as possible, slamming the ball into the ground. To make this harder, use a heavier ball or simply do the repetitions a lot faster and harder with your explosion. Side step taps is a beginner agility exercise that will have you going up on a very small weight or object and reaching to the other side with your feet. Go as fast as you comfortably can and feel free to make this more challenging by increasing the height of the object you're stepping onto. The seated march is a beginner balance exercise that will have you marching with both legs and reaching back and forth. Make sure to put all your weight on both of your butt cheeks when you're going to each side, as this will really increase the balance difficulty load. You can make this more challenging by adding a weight into either hand or by pausing for a second before coming back. The seated ground to overhead is an excellent full body exercise for beginners. For this one, start with a very light weight and try to go slow and controlled. You can increase the difficulty of this by adding more weight to this or by going a little bit faster with your reps. Seated quick marches are a beginner exercise to work your speed. When you're doing this, really focus on jamming your foot into the ground when slamming down and bringing your knee up as high and as fast as you can on the opposite trajectory. To make this harder, try not holding on to your chair or object you're sitting on.